everyone. Today I'm going to show you a super simple recipe for some oatmeal chocolate chip peanut butter balls. Now these are so delicious and they're so easy to make, only 4 ingredients. What you're going to need are some dried oats, some peanut butter, some chocolate chips, and some maple syrup, pure maple syrup. Okay. So let's get started. First, we're gonna need 1.5 cups of our oats. As always, your little ones can help with the measuring and the pouring and eventually the stirring as well. Okay, so there's 1.5. All right, next we're gonna add in 1/2 cup of peanut butter. I've already got my peanut butter measured out here. So we're just gonna plop that right in. Here we go. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and add our maple syrup. We need 1/3 cup of maple syrup. So I'll measure that out here. 1/3 cup. Ooh, looks delicious. Okay. Pour that in. And then last but not least, we're going to use that same measuring cup, 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. So let's get those in there. Of course, you are welcome to add anything extra that you like, maybe some chopped nuts or some dried fruit bits. And of course, if peanut butter is not in your wheelhouse, maybe you can use any type of nut butter or seed butter if you like, and that will work perfectly fine. Okay, so we've got all our ingredients in. Got a couple more chocolate chips hiding in there. And now we're just gonna start stirring this all together. Stirring is a great way for those little ones to work on some gross motor skills as well as fine motor skills while they're holding onto the spoon or spatula. So feel free to let them help out with some stirring. But my guess is that eventually you'll need to jump in and help out. All right, my mixture is coming together really nicely here. It looks pretty good. So now what I'm gonna do is pop this into the fridge. We're gonna cover it up, pop it in for about 30 minutes to let it harden up, and then we're gonna form it into some balls. All right, my mixture has chilled for over 30 minutes and it's nice and hard now. And we are going to start forming it into some balls. So let your little ones help out with this. Make sure to wash your hands really well with some soap and water first. Have a sealable container ready. And we're just gonna start taking about, I would say a tablespoon, and start rolling them into some balls. If it's feeling a little sticky, you can put a little bit of oil onto your hands, but mine feels okay. Start rolling them up into balls, place them into your container, and once they're all done, just go ahead and keep that in the fridge and enjoy. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoy these oatmeal peanut butter chocolate chip balls. We'll see you next time.